The students holding the mashal are Divyashi and Avika, who are followed by Pearl, Gargi, Fariha and Arna.
Hygiene is an integral part of a student's life. The dress and hygiene committee members Adya, Palashi, Gargi, Samriddhi and Ankita hold the responsibility to their fullest.
The mashal now reaches the maintenance committee to support in reporting the maintenance issues timely. The committee is held by Mohammad Aram, Manya, Abhyuday, Utkarsh, Abhigyan and Prisha.
Roots and Shoots committee is held by Dhani, Nishtha, Virat, Damya, Chandni and Avika. The members take all the possible steps to protect the environment.
The mashal is now handed over to Aham and Meeta from Tire Cleanout Committee, who will full support for Prarabh, Aman, Pratyansh and Alamdor.
Holding the mashal are now the traffic management committee members who are Ayushman, Kushag, Abhyuday, Vijay, Sarthak and Medhansh.
Next in the sequence is the difference maker committee. Eva, Shikhar, Viraj, Nivanshi, Ayan and Ishita shoulder their responsibility to aware the society about the special qualities of their special friends.
The cyber committee is the next addition in the list. Arav, Arsh, Galan, Virat, Adhar and Naitik support the management by awareing the students about the pros and cons of using mobile phones.
The CCN Sports Committee finally takes over the mashal. The proud members are Ujish, Adyan, Nitya, Adhyay, Abhiti and Aviraj.
खेल भावना की अलग जलाती खेल को सब
It's really a
Stand at ease. Attention. Deep, deep, deep. Stand at ease. Attention. The Captain Bulbul salute is given by raising the right arm smartly to the level of the shoulder. Palm to the front. First two fingers stretch. छोटे छोटे बाल हमारी लेना तुम संभाल हम हैं छोटे छोटे बाल हमारी लेना तुम संभाल कदम कदम पर करे गलतियाँ सद्बुद्धि देना भुला गलतियाँ तुम्हें लेगा कौन संभाल हम हैं छोटे छोटे बाल हमारी लेना तुम संभाल Stand at ease. Attention. The Cubs and Bulbul greeting is a special way in Bharat Scouts and Guides to welcome the guest or to greet the other visitors. Let's take our first position. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Bulbuls take the second position. We are the Bulbuls. Here are they. Do your best and play the game. We are the Bulbuls. Here are they. Do your best and play the game. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Hands up. Let's go. Stand at ease. Attention. Hands up. Welcome. Let's go. point is clapper. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, and a vision. To lead in race, you must have to accelerate your motion parallel with your hard work.
Number 11.
Sprinters, the speed is yours. Go and grab the laurels.
Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you.
Come on, let us hoot out loud for our participants.
You can see track number 3 leading, which is followed by track number 5 and 1.
Of the 5 water brush to felicitate the proud winners.
And the battle reaches its final lap.
I would like to call Miss Amarjeet Singh, the PSC number of class 5 water brush, to felicitate the proud winner.
Track number 6 is leading, followed by track number 5 and 1. And here goes the clapper. The sprinters have made a bullet start. Dear girls, keep going. Believe me, the result is not so
Okay.
bad. Without the struggle.
Yes.
And here the race finishes. The clapper, my friends, give a kickstart. Now here is the official results of class 500-meter girls. The first position is bagged by Manya Yadav. The second position is bagged by Aditi Pandey. And the third position is and over the block, meaning which team gets disqualified. The exercise needs physical coordination, which enhances concentration, gross motor skills, endurance, and spatial awareness.
Next in the queue are my friends. Next in the queue are my friends from Camellia. They are using the
Now here are the official results of Melbourne. First position is bagged by Arnav Pandey and Aditya Mishra. Second position is bagged by Bharat Raj Singh and Parth. And third position is bagged by Shubh Gupta and Aradhya Singh. Now I call Miss Anjali, advisor of JPNTT and JBBS, to please felicitate the winners.
In this race, one child is passing the ball to the other child in the sitting position. The child not only sits but passes the ball by extending the left leg instead of holding the
First ball for one drill. Next on the track are the children from Cassandra. In this race, my friend will participate in pairs. One of the pair bends on his knees and the other one stretches his legs and rests on the bent partner. Now they move forward, coordinating with each other. Now here are the official results of creative race of class 5 Camellia. The first position is bagged by Rudra and Ashutosh. The second position is bagged by Shivansh and Amar. The third position is bagged by Shreyash and Tanvir. Congratulations to the winners. Now I call upon Miss Ruby Singh, PSC member of class 5 Camellia, to felicitate the winners. I repeat, I call upon Miss Ruby Singh, PSC member of class 5 Camellia, to felicitate the winners.
As they reach the halfway, the partners exchange their role. This race enhances team spirit, endurance, flexibility, cooperation.
Miss Deepika Bansal, PSC member of class 5 Cassandra, to felicitate the winners.
The partners are standing facing each other with ball in hand of child at the back position. At the begin, the child with ball square down passes the ball under his both thighs one by one and throws it to his partner in front. As he receives the ball, he turns himself and repeats the same skill whereas the other child hop and take place in front of him. The same skill is repeated until the player reaches the finish line.
The partner needs to ensure that they will
जाओ इसके बाद जाओ कौन जाएगा ये हम दोनों जाएंगे इसके बाद मैं करूँगा ना मैं और राजू हम लोग ही जाएंगे हम लोग एक बार कर लेंगे हम ये लोग अभी ना ड्रिल करनी है हमने ब्लॉक जो है वो कर रहे हैं ना ये तो देखा जाएगा ब्लॉक जो बुला लेंगे ठीक है
After reaching the midway, the partner exchange their skills.
चलो फिर से
Here at the official result, what is best place? The first position is bagged by Ayush and Rashid. The second position is bagged by Shaksham and Kartikeyan. The third position is bagged by Vinayak and
के बीच में जा करके रख के वापस
Arcasians can will showcase their creativity with the sack race. You can see the children are hopping and jumping through the hula hoop with the sack and are eagerly moving towards the finishing line. It is an act of balancing the body. Here one partner is jumping and the other partner is coordinating well. It's an example of collaboration where the children are supporting each other and completing the skill.
this race develops skills like balancing and coordination. Jumping is a dynamic action that requires lot of energy and body balance. Pressure on feet and legs will enhance spinal development and flexibility. Now I call Mr. Liu Kunmons from USA to come and felicitate the winners.
Ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge round of applause to motivate them.
Buck up, friends. You're about to finish. Don't lose hope. Your patience and urge to finish the scale is incredible.
Clap for the participants.
दोस्तों याद रखना लक्ष्य से निगाहें पेरेंट्स प्लीज मेक अ नोट if a cone is placed in front of a track it symbolizes that the player is disqualified on the ground of not completing the skill accurately. The winners are giving their names to the teacher.
ला स्कूल का
The children of Mulberry have already taken their place from the track. In this creative race, the children use the base of flexi pole as their prop. The partners are standing at 2 laps separately. As they start, the child places the 2 bases with some gap in front of him, takes a jump inside, lifts them up and places them together, closely in front of him, jumping towards the outer side of the prop. Now here are the official results of
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है सर स्क्रीन पे वो गिर गया
have bagged first position, Shikhar and Shri have bagged second position and Atulek and Abhay have bagged third position. Congratulations to the winner. Now I request Miss Savita Jaiswal. Here goes the clapper. Come on friends, you can do it. To be the best, you must learn how to handle the worst. It sports gives power and strength.
मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों यकीन रखो जितना कठिन संघर्ष होगा जीत उतनी ही शानदार होगी.
Players seem to give their 100%.
Track number 1 is leading, which is followed by track number 2 and 7. But the friends, you can do it. And here the race finishes. And here goes the clapper. Good job.
Abhay, I would like to bring a fact to the notice of the spectators that in women's category, Saraswati Saha holds the Indian 200-meter record with a timing of 22.82 seconds, which she achieved at the National Circuit meet in Ludhiana in 2002.
We can see track number 4 leading, which is followed by track number 3. Oh, track number 3 took a lead. Neck to neck competition between
Presentma, lane number 7, Prasanna, lane number 8, Pochura.
लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
Now here are the official results of 200 meters. flag by Abhyuday Singh from class 4 Musanda. Amaldas, second by Bhavya Tiwari from 4th Palash, and third by Virat Shukla from 4 Begonia. Congratulations to the winners. Now I call upon Mr. Deepak Sharma, Assistant Director, Class 5 Girls. The first position is backed by Ritika Singh of Class 5 Fortulaga. The second position.
And here goes the clapper. Rightly said by Hussain Bolt. Don't think about the start of the race. Think about the ending.
I call upon Mr. Gaurav Manucha, the PAC member of Class 5 Mulberry, to felicitate the winners. हौसलों को कम न कर, हौसले आगे बढ़ाते हैं, बुलंद हौसले ही हमें मंजिल तक पहुंचाते हैं।
Track number 1 is leading. There is a neck-to-neck competition between all the participants, and here the race finishes.
Each other and practicing their skills.
This race develops skills like balancing and coordination. Jumping is a dynamic action that requires lot of energy and body balance. Pressure on feet and legs will enhance spinal development and flexibility by strengthening their core muscles and bones. From USA to come and felicitate the winners.
Ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge round of applause to motivate them.
Welcome friends, you are about to finish. Don't lose hope. Your patience and urge to finish the scale is incredible.
Clap for the participants.
दोस्तों याद रखना, लक्ष्य से निगाहें हटाना नहीं, जीतो या हारो कब मनाना नहीं. Parents, please make a note. If a cone is placed in front of a track, it symbolizes that the player is disqualified on the ground of not completing the skill accurately. The winners are giving their
Satisfaction in that.
My plumeria friend are performing the creative race named Move Like a Crab with Skipping Rope. It is a pair race in which one child is holding the rope with his legs and walk like a crab while the other child has to sit on his knees and drag the rope till finishing line.
The race seems like a piece of cake, but it's quite challenging as it puts pressure on core muscles. You need energy and strength to drag yourself, imitating like a crab. It helps to develop balance and trust on each other. It also burns calorie and body fat. Crawling on knees is a challenge at 2.
At the starting of my friend Bromley Drovar set on the track.
Big race where the creativity along with the physical endurance is presented. Here are the officials I call upon Miss Archana Verma, the PAC member of Class 3 Plumeria, to come and felicitate the winners. The props used are flexible. I call upon Miss Archana Verma, the PAC member of Class 2 Plumeria, to felicitate the winners. This race is a unique combination of patience, technique and strength. It helps them to develop their physical fitness and coordination as they have to showcase their skill in different ways.
Here, one partner has to hold flexi pose in both hands by keeping a proper distance. The other partner has to pick up the bangles from one pole and transfer it to the next pole.
You all can clearly visualize that this race promotes bending, stretching and coordination as a skill.
It promotes teamwork, problem solving and critical thinking as they strategize and use techniques to navigate this race.
parents.
Please make a note. If a cone is placed in front of a track, that symbolizes that the player is disqualified on the ground of not completing the skill accurately.
दूर से हमें आगे के सभी रास्ते बंद नजर आते हैं, क्योंकि सफलता के रास्ते हमारे लिए तभी खुलते हैं जब हम उसके काबिल करीब पहुंच जाते हैं.
You all are doing so well.
athletes of 4 into 100 meter patent relay from class 4 and the creative races by Avatars and Caleb. In this pair race, both the partners have to showcase their talent. Here, a base and ball are used as a prop. Out of the two partners, one of them has to pass the base and the ball on it to the other partner by twisting their body and with a lot of patience, while the other partner has to hold the base without dropping the ball on it. By the time first partner has to hop and go behind the second partner. This race demands technique and concentration. Ladies and gentlemen, we will clearly observe that children are learning to adjust their body, moving with speed, helping and supporting each other, and a lot of collaboration. I did believe in team motivation. I believe in getting a team prepared so it knows it will have the necessary confidence when it steps on the field and be prepared to play a good game. What a Team Motivation by Tom Landry.
Parents, please make a note. If a cone is placed in front of a track, it symbolizes that the player is disqualified on the ground of not completing the skill accurately.
Ladies and gentlemen, please clap for the participants. Self-belief, belief and hard work will always learn your success.
If you want to achieve something in life, you have to take a risk. Thank you, sir.
Rightly said by Hima Das, I don't show tension and nervousness, but I know how fast my heartbeat races before a race.
Okay, I know how much effort it needs to get with the skill.
Yes. It can only be achieved by consistent practice.
Hands off to your patience and friends. Hands off to your patience, friends. You are doing so well.
Friends, we have almost reached the finish line. Focus.
Even when you have played the game of your life, it's a feeling of teamwork that you will remember. You will forget the plays, the shots, and the scores, but you will never forget your teammates.
You can see some peers have finished their races.
But you are still performing.
Cheer up, parents.
They are focusing on their skills, not on the results. Keep going, friends. You are doing so well.
Speed it up as fast as you can.
You look strong and fit.
We are proud of you.
You are already halfway there. Stay focused to the finish.
If you can believe it, your mind can achieve it.
Next on the track are the children from Oleander. They are using hula hoops as their prop. In this creative race, the participants are working in a team. One of the partners is standing behind the other.
The first partner has to hold a hula hoop in front of him and has to pass through it by crawling, and then passes it to his partner sitting in front of him over the head.
The first partner then takes a few steps and will go and sit in front of the other child. In this way, both the children will pass their bodies through the hoop turn-wise. Crawling helps to lubricate the joints like hips and improves body posture. It strengthens core muscles, shoulders, hips, spine, mind and brain development.
You are already halfway there. Stay focused to the finish.
Success is not a matter of being the best and winning the race. Success is a matter of handling the bus and still finishing the race.
But my friends, you are almost there.
Every finishing line is the beginning of a new race. Don't lose hope.
We can see some of the pairs have finished their races. Both spaces are ready to showcase their skill with medals. My friends got involved into the race.
One child has to spread their legs and form a tunnel, and the other child has to stand behind the first child. The first child has to pass the baton between the legs to their partner. The second child will hold the baton and will again pass it over the shoulder. Along with this, they will do backward jumping.
At the middle line, the role of partners got exchanged. This race helps to develop balance, coordination, and stability. It strengthens the lower body muscle core and increases the core strength. It boosts the blood flow, improves mobility and flexibility.
Wonderful, my friends. This is really giving goosebumps. Dear friends, remember, difficulties in life are intended to make us better, not bitter. Well said by Tan Reeves. So today, you became better. Congratulations to the winners.
Parents, please make a note that if a cone is placed in front of a track, it symbolizes that the player is disqualified on the ground of not completing the skill accurately.
A furious concentration and fanatical
Education is a partnership between teachers, parents, and students. Together we shape the future. I feel privileged to welcome our society members, PAC members, parents, and children on this auspicious day. Your support and involvement has enabled the children for joyful learning and overall development. This year we have increased one section in class 5. Now we have 6 sections from classes 1 to 5. Every year we take key result areas to improve in the specific area of work. This year we have taken 3 KRAs. They are as follows: strengthening the classroom management, documentation of JVS pedagogical ecosystem, making each special child self-reliant. Club classes provide children with valuable life skills, promoting holistic development in a fun and engaging way. There are 6 clubs eco, reading, science, quiz, heritage, and dramatics club. Core values play a vital role in shaping the mindset of children. They develop into responsible, empathetic, and well-rounded individuals. We have taken 5 core values: respect, responsibility, empathy, sensitivity towards environment, and collaboration. By embedding these values into daily life, children will naturally incorporate them in their life. Performing and visual arts offer a multitude of benefits that contribute to their overall development. These activities not only nurture creativity but also support emotional, cognitive, social, and physical growth. 5 children participated in vocal, tabla, kathak competition organized by Sangeet Natya Academy, Lucknow, and bagged first, second, and third position. Student committee develops understanding, leadership, and teamwork skills. There are 9 committees and they play a vital role in managing the school. The project approach is making the children apply their skill in a relevant and meaningful manner. We took the project Natural Healers, Communication, Arunachal Pradesh, Plants and Trees, Food and Kitchen, Transport and Water. Field trips are crucial for every student to research, acquire increased knowledge, culture, and hands-on experience. Children went to Guptar Ghat, Company Garden, Mangalam Farm, ND University, Akashvani, and inherited a lot of learning. They interacted with experts. Festival celebration like Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Moharram, Bara Wafat, Dashera, and Diwali were celebrated for giving the children deeper understanding of their importance. Sports are vital for the physical and mental growth of a child. 13 children participated in Ayodhya district roller skating competition and won a skating championship trophy and 2 medals. Children are given platform to participate in cluster events. 7 children participated in CBSE cluster swimming competition and bagged 13 gold and silver medals. Cubs and Bulbul children bagged the second position in Cubs and Bulbul Utsav held at Takshila Roots. After the school, evening classes of self-defense, chess, and carom are held to hone the skills of children. We embrace inclusive education to create a supportive and empowering environment where all children can thrive and reach their full potential. Children of special need participated on 15th August and Hindi Divas program and made the audience overwhelmed by their confidence. Physiotherapy, speech therapy, and occupational therapy are given to help the children improve their ability to perform in their daily living. Vocational training is given to them as per their talent and skills. Rimjim is a certified beautician and is doing internship at Swast. Me Time Zone enables the children to work on different therapies. Counselor address the emotional, social and behavioral needs. Ms. Seema Pandey, the counselor, took the counseling session with the children from classes 2 to 5 on bullying, abusive language, use of mobile, good touch and bad touch. Children are distributing fruits, seeds and plants on their birthdays. I would like to thank the parents for taking the initiative. Animal Welfare Day, Peace Day, and Honeybee Day were celebrated to make the children sensitive towards the environment. Nature Walk encourages children to observe, explore, discover, and learn valuable skills. Children donated clothes and books to the underprivileged children. Mudlicious activities and refreshing rain were taken up under nature curriculum to develop child's lifelong connection with the natural world. For reducing plastic waste and reusing waste creatively, we are making eco bricks. We have constructed battery stand, cabinet, and tree guard made out of eco bricks. Roots and Shoots Club children went to Firozpur Primary Government School for plantation. We planted 30 saplings. We encourage our faculty to update themselves and keep abreast with the latest development in the field of education. Following were the highlights of this year's faculty program. Ms. Renita Kapoor took 2 days workshop on theatre as a pedagogical tool in education. The learnings from the workshop are applied with the children. Ms. Anuja took the session on effective classroom management. Ms. Anju took the session on zero garbage and 5S. Beena ma'am and I took the session on empathetic communication with parents. Ms. Archana Agrawal attended the workshop on effective teaching of English language. Ms. Anuja revisited the nature curriculum with class 1 and 2 teachers to make it more interesting. 3 days session was taken by Ms. Seema Bhushan on how to diagnose learning difficulty children, reading and lesson plan. Healthy habits a healthy mind, body and spirit. Keeping this in mind, our teachers have started playing different games. It is called V Time. Thanks to the management for the thoughtful practice. Mentors attended the coffee meet on glimpses of DIDEC International. Few teachers attended a seminar on International Safe Bite Awareness Day conducted by DFO and INTACT member Mr. Abhishek. For ensuring teachers' responsibility align with educational needs and professional growth, mentors attended a workshop based on restructured role profile. Our support staff, Pancham, shared his best practices in how to carry material in less time. PAC members, teachers and class 5 children visited Ethuna Historical Museum at JBA. On the suggestion of the PAC member, highlights of the day is sent in the WhatsApp group. Parents' workshop of classes 1, 3, 4 and 5 was conducted on parenting in current era, reading, self-study and other concepts. Workshop for supporting staff was held on their roles, etiquettes and zero garbage. Auto drivers meeting was held to discuss about their behavior, language, handling of children and safety measures. A mock drill on disaster management was done to develop knowledge about handling emergency situation and mitigation skill at difficult time. Under Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, children of class 5 explored Arunachal Pradesh and performed activities. This year, our Teachers' Day theme was Secular Environment, Why and How, which gave deep insight to children and teachers. Annual Sports Day of classes 1 and 2 was held. Children presented creative races. World Capability Day was held on 3rd December. Children exhibited their talents and skills. Bal Mela was held in JVS and was also organized for Gaddapur primary children. Class 5 children went for the excursion to Science City. Voluntary teaching was taken up by PAC members. They took poems, story, cooking, mathematical and language activities. I would like to thank the members for their initiative. Dr. Vikas Agrawal is doing regular medical checkup. Anti-measles dose was administered. I thank Dr. Indroleen Banerjee for taking constant health care of our children. Dr. Piyush Gupta conducted an informative session with the staff on importance of maintaining healthy and balanced diet. Teachers did yoga on the occasion of International Yoga Day at Gulabari conducted by INTACT. Mr. Peter from US was with us for a fortnight. He took language activities and shared about his country. Mr. Samir Jolly from the Art of Living visited the school. It was honor to celebrate 33 years journey of Beena ma'am for her contribution in education. Now she is an advisor to JBS. In the end, I thank society members, sister institution, the suppliers, parents and students of NTT who have always helped us to work hand in hand. I also extend heartfelt thanks to my colleagues, helping staff for their dedication and commitment, which makes our journey a joyful experience every year. Finally, I would like to thank Mr. V.K. Joshi, Principal of JB Academy, for sparing the field and constant cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Kushal.
They have deep inside them a desire, a dream, and a vision. To lead a race, you must have to accelerate your motion parallel with your hard work.
It was really mesmerizing. The girls are all replaced by the boys 400-meter race. The athletes are
Meter girls of class 4. The first position is backed by Tarvi Singh of class 4 Musaina. The second position is backed by Rashmi Roy of class 4 Dadla. And the third position is backed by Manvi Srivastava of class 4 Musaina. Congratulations to the winner. Now I call Ms. Neetu Srivastava, coordinator of Yash, to felicitate the proud winner.
and the race begins.
Sprinters, the speed is yours. Go and grab the laurels.
Push yourselves because no one else is going to do it for you.
Come on, let us hoot out loud for our participants.
You can see in track number 3 leading, which is followed by track number 5 and 1.
Parents, please keep cheering for the participants.
Trisha, school often organizes relay races as a way to promote team spirit and friendly competition among students. So such races serve two very strong purposes.
I would like to call Miss Amarjeet Singh, PAC member of 5 Quarter Brush, to felicitate the proud winners.
And the baton reaches its final lap.
I would like to call Miss Amarjeet Singh, the PAC member of class 5 Quarter Brush, to felicitate the proud winners.
Track number 6 is leading, followed by track number 5 and 1. Wow, what a wonderful finish!
Wow, that was spellbinding.
Yes, we are waiting for the official results.
Now on the track are the boys.
And here goes the clapper.
United States about 1883. The original method was for the men running the second quarter of the course used to take over a small flag from the first as he arrived. The flags, however, were considered cumbersome, and for a time it was sufficient for the outgoing runners to touch or to be touched by his predecessor.
Parents, your clap is the turning for the participants today. So please keep clapping.
Speed up, friends. You are already halfway. There, stay focused to the finish.
The baton has reached its final lap. Track number 2 and track number 4 are given neck to neck competition.
Followed by track number 1. Hold your breath, parents. Let's see who wins. It's the waiting to hold my
The proud winner. I would like to call Miss Ruby Singh, the BSc member of Class 5 Camellia, to come and honor the proud winners. I repeat, I would like to call Miss Ruby Singh, the BSc member of Class 5 Camellia, to come and felicitate the proud winners. The children are in pairs.
more flexible, but holding the ball between feet will also strengthen their fine motor skills. Controlling the ball together and placing it inside the hoop boosts the coordination and patience, the two major qualities to be owned by a sports person.
This is the final call for the girls and boys of Class 5 for their 100-meter race, and the first call for Class 5 girls and boys for the 4 into 100-meter track relay.
We are already halfway there. Stay focused to the finish.
The five S's of sport training are stamina, speed, strength, skill, and spirit. But the greatest of these is spirit.
These young friends have surely made us learn today that finish a race is not just athletic achievement. It is a state of mind that says anything is possible.
Thank you, ma'am.
Parents, please keep cheering for the participants. Parents, please make a note. If a cone is placed in front of a track, it symbolizes that the player is disqualified on the ground of not completing the skill accurately.
Speed it up as fast as you can.
You all are doing really well, kids. Wow, you make that look so easy.
Some players have finished their races.
Parents, please keep cheering. Dear spectators,
And Samran, the third position is held by Parth and Akshat. Congratulations to all the winners. Now, I would like to call Miss Meenakshi Agrawal, the PC member of Class 4 Amardas, to come and honor the proud winners. I would like to call Miss Meenakshi Agrawal, the PC member of Class 4 Amardas, to come and felicitate the proud winners.
now on the track are the creative athletes from Kalenju. You can see that the race is again in facing each other and holding one hand. As they begin, one partner rises up, crosses over the held hand and sits down. Now the same action is repeated by the other one.
The task is that both have to coordinate with each other and move toward the finish line. They have to be careful while crossing over, as it might hurt the other partner. This can be achieved. The official results of Kalenju. The first position is backed by Mohammad Zaki and Sarthar. The second position is backed by Shubh and Athar. The third position is backed by Viraj and Sanskar. Congratulations to the all winners. To all the winners. Now, I would like to call Mr. Amit Chaurasia, the PSC member of class 4 KNHU, to come and pick the winners. I would like to call Mr. Amit Chaurasia, the PSC member of class 4 KNHU, to come and felicitate the proud winner. Third position is backed by Athar and Bharat. Congratulations to all the winners. To all the winners. Now, I would like to
The tracks are now taken over by the participants from Panache. One of the partners has to squat down, placing 2 cones in front of him with a small gap, and the other will remain standing beside the squatting partner. As the clapper goes, the standing partner will jump over a cone, positioning himself between the cones. Now one who is in squat position will move cone at the back and bring it in front, moving himself as well in the squat position only. Once they reach the middle lap, the partners exchange their roles. The squatting one comes in standing position and the standing one has to squat down. If the squatting partner stands up while shifting, the pair gets disqualified. Squatting is an exercise that builds up the thigh and calf muscles and enhances lower body strength. The skill requires sustained effort and improving overall endurance. Keep up the good work, my friends. The pair bends down and the ball is placed on their shoulders. As they work towards the finish line, they have to keep the ball stable and steady without actually touching it. While maintaining the balance, the pair works together, taking the small steps in unison.
I would like to call here are the official results of the race of Panache. The first position is backed by Islam and Sanskrit. The third position is backed by Shehzada and both
No problem.
keep the fingers with partner facing outwards. As the partner stretches himself upwards, the partner will push him back by changing their position with every step.
Pratham, it's not an easy task. If the partner doesn't lift up his back while stretching, the pair gets disqualified. It's actually a challenging task which can only be achieved with consistent practice. Here are the official results of creative race of class 4 Musanda. The first position is backed by Ram and Advait. The second position is backed by Anaisha and Nidhi. And the third position is backed by Raghu and दूर से हमें आगे के सभी दरवाजे बंद नजर आते हैं, क्योंकि सफलता के रास्ते हमारे लिए तभी खुलते हैं जब हम उसके बिल्कुल करीब होते हैं. And here the pattern exchanges. Track number 6 is leading. Track number 3 is giving next to the competition. An athlete ensures that the team harmoniously towards the common goal. Their coordination and consistent effort in completing the race reduces their they have deep inside them a desire, a dream, and a vision. To lead a race, you must have to accelerate your motion parallel with your hard work.
It was really mesmerizing. The girls are now replaced by the boys 400-meter race. The athletes are
The girls of class 4. The first position is backed by Tarvi Singh of class 4 Musaina. The second position is backed by Srishti Moy of class 4 Atlas. And the third position is backed by Mangesh Srivastava of class 4 Musaina. Congratulations to the winner. Now I call Ms. Neetu Srivastava, coordinator of Yash to felicitate the proud winner.
and the race begins.
Sprinters, the speed is yours. Go and grab the laurels.
Push yourselves because no one else is going to do it for you.
Come on, let us hoot out loud for our participants.
You can see track number 3 leading, which is followed by track number 5 and 1.
Parents, please keep cheering for the participants.
Trisha, school often organizes relay races as a way to promote team spirit and friendly competition among students. So such races serve two very strong purposes.
I would like to call Miss Amarjeet Singh, PSC member of 5 quarter brush to felicitate the proud winners.
And the baton reaches its final lap.
I would like to call Miss Amarjeet Singh, the PSC member of class 5 quarter brush to felicitate the proud winner.
Track number 6 is leading, followed by track number 5 and 1. Wow, what a wonderful finish!
Wow, that was spellbinding.
Yes, we are waiting for the official results.
Now on the track are the boys. And here goes the clapper.
बुलंद हौसले लेकर हम मैदान जंग में अपना हुनर दिखाएंगे, जीते या हारे अपने परिश्रम का लोहा हम मनवाएंगे. दूर से हमें आगे के सभी दरवाजे बंद नजर आते हैं, क्योंकि सफलता के रास्ते हमारे लिए तभी खुलते हैं जब हम उसके बिल्कुल करीब होते हैं. And here the baton exchanges. Track number 6 is leading. Track number 3 is giving back to the competition. An athlete cannot run with money in his pockets. He must run with his heart and dreams in his head. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, यकीन रखो, जितना कठिन संघर्ष होगा, जीत उतनी ही शानदार होगी. Sprinters, this field is yours. Go and grab the laurels. And here, finally the battle reaches to the final lap, and I am getting confident that as athletes are approaching the finish line. Track number 3 is leading. And sure it's going to I can't hold my excitement. I call upon Ms. Rashmi Mishra, Principal JBBS, to felicitate the winners.
जीत के इरादे कोई डिगा नहीं पाएगा. जीत के इरादे कोई डिगा नहीं पाएगा. यदि तुम में जुनून है, कोई हिला नहीं पाएगा.
I repeat, Ms. Rashmi Mishra, Principal JBBS, to felicitate the winners.
3 to 5 children are giving a neck-to-neck competition.
The purpose of mixed relay is to encourage the girls and boys to compete together irrespective of gender and age.
The baton reaches its final lap.
Thank
You
you.
can see class 5
I'm sure
leading.
this race will give cheers and praise to everyone present here. I just want to convey each one of us that a champion is defined not by their wins but they can recover when they fall.
Sprinters, the speed is yours. Go and grab the laurels.
Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you.
Come on, let us hoot out loud for our participants.
You can see track number 3 leading, which is followed by track number 5 and 1.
Of class 4. The first position is backed by Gargi Singh of class 4 Musanda. The second position is backed by Srishti Maurya of class 4 Gladwell. And the third position is backed by Manya Srivastava of class 4 Musanda. Congratulations to the winners. Now I call to showcase their passion on the track. And here goes the clap. Relay running is a part of the track and field event and is contested during the Olympic Games and World Championships. Dear audience, don't you think one of them is going to become Milkha Singh in future? And here the batons are exchanged. There's a neck-to-neck competition between track number. What an exciting race! And here the baton exchanges. Track number 3 is leading, followed by track number 6. Do it, friends! Let's see who wins. Oh, track number 6 has taken the lead, and here the race finishes.
it
it